Okay, now we are into the last part of our discussion, that is nothing but a try, except, block. Okay, block, or we say exception, exception handling. What do you mean by that? Means error handling. For example, I would like to collect someone age. Okay, then what I can do? I can give one input function that is called as a input. Okay, I just say what's your age. I give like this. I ask one question like this, and I would like to collect a age of the person. If I execute, now you can see one thing it will happen. Like if I give anything, it accept. It is there is no validation on that input. So we'll put one mask that is a validation integer. It has to be your age should be integer. Now if I say anything apart from the integer, if I given someone given, what it does, it will raise a error, right? It will raise an error. So how to avoid this error? Okay, how to avoid this error? We can avoid this error by using a try catch block. Okay, t should be small t, try. Okay, try this one. Okay, there should be a space, indent, input value. In case any exception comes, except, in case any error comes, accept that error and print only whole numbers. Okay, like this I will give the hint like what to be entered. Now if I say like any mistake he do, he say that only whole number and it will break these things. Again if I say like 45.5, if he given enter, it says only whole number, it will not take that one, right? So only integer it will take. The exception, what in case any exception comes, it will avoid that one. For example, I would like to have here age equal to, okay, age equal to this one I need to take. So age, if I take now, we are not been taken because it is not at given a correct value, right? So I need to run this thing continuously. What we can do to run these things continuously? We use a while loop, right? While is true. Okay, as I said, while loop is a continuous loop until and unless these things become a true. Okay, until and unless these things become a true, it has to continuously run. Now if I check execute, started asking, I given some wrong things. It says that no, only whole number. I given some decimal numbers. Now only whole number. Then I say 23. It took, is not giving any error now, but loop is not yet closed. What would be the reason? Loop is not yet closed because we haven't braked. Once it is true, then where exactly I need to break the loop? I haven't mentioned that, right? So here I need to say break. In case we received a correct age, we can break, or I can take like yeah, we'll do that one. I will restart the kernel because it's continuously running. I restart it. Now we can see when I break the loop, we'll get it properly now. Like I executed. If I give some text, it is not taking. It is not taking. Given a value, it took and broke the loop also. It is not running continuously here now. 23 is the age we taken. In case I can mention the specific value also before breaking. Like I say, if age is between like I say 18 to age is between 18 to 45. Okay, then only it has to break. Okay, if age is taken, we'll check that condition. Is it 18 to 45? Then only it will break. Like we can check, is it possible? I will give some wrong thing. No. I try to give the age below it is 10. Age is below 10. It's not taking. I take a age above 45, like 50. Still, it is not taking. I give like 45.5. Still, it is not taken. If I give age between that, like 28, it completed a loop. Like this, we can incorporate a if condition also. Okay, I just want to collect the information exactly in within that. Okay, then we can use this type of coding. Okay, we are trying that. In case any error comes, we are exception to that error, means we are avoiding that error and we are running moving to next step. Okay, we'll continuously we will run this one until and unless he provide a right answer. Okay, otherwise we can have some timing and we can session can be done. Okay, so this is the one thing, like try accept block. Okay, so far we have been learned about all the things. Okay, we will summarize the things we learned in a next session.